Try to see if there's anybody up here at the upper part of the van. Step on this is really slow. You can change it, but it's more like you have to push a button, kind of like the old export radios, which I don't like doing. It's easier to leave it on there, because what that does is it allows you to quickly jump through frequencies on that one.
Up and down on there if you don't watch it with a lot of the food they have.
Somebody right here. I heard him, but I'm not going to keep trying to find it. Like, the band is open, but it's not open like real good everywhere. Yeah, it's the DX station guy.
When the band's open, everybody jumps in there for sure there. Okay, Bill, 73, WA7NCL, the N4 over takes F3.
Definitely lots of stuff.